because salt makes things better. All mixed up. Okay, it's only a minute and 30 seconds. As Bobby Flay and Chef Ramsay say. Oh my gosh, so good. Hola, busy familia, busy mommy here, and we're trying to figure out how to make recipes with things we have in the pantry, right? And I kind of really wanted a like jalapeno popper bread. I've seen some of these recipes out before, but I have my 90-second keto bread that I really like, and so I thought, why not make it like a jalapeno cheddar biscuit that you can use with chicken or with anything that you want, which is exciting. So before I get started though, I think I should ask you to subscribe so you can see other videos like this. We're gonna be doing a lot of fun things, continues as usual, but please like and then comment below what your favorite bread is. Like, what do you miss the most? I'd say, so I really love focaccia and I love making focaccia, so that's amazing. But I just like, sometimes I just miss white bread, like just white bread, I don't know. Anyway, I'm working on some really cool bread recipes to try to get us through that. But I wanted today to do this jalapeno bread, so don't forget to comment below what your favorite bread is, and then make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell. But let's get started with 1 tablespoon of your favorite butter. So I use this Kerrygold butter. It's really, really good. I added 1 tablespoon and I melted it and I put it in a mug because I can't find my ramekins. And you know what? These Starbucks mugs are awesome because they're like just the right size and they make a really good shape for these. But I am gonna make like hamburger buns too with another recipe that I'm figuring out, and hopefully I'll have it done soon. Figure it out. Anyway, this hair is driving me crazy. Sorry guys. I know sometimes you see me with straight hair, sometimes you see me with curly hair, but because we're kind of stuck indoors, I haven't really been doing my hair that much. And this is just, I put like curl or like cream, whatever that we put in it. So it's like just living its own life. So anyway, we have our mug ready, and then I'm gonna cut up some jalapeno. This jalapeno actually turned red because it's been sitting here. So it is gonna be spicy, so I don't wanna put too much, but I like to just, when I'm slicing jalapenos, I like to just slice the whole thing. So what I did was I score it on that side about 4 times. Then I score it this way about 2 times so that I can get little cubes of jalapeno. All right, that might be too much jalapeno because let me smell it. You know what? It doesn't smell that spicy. I don't know how to explain how to smell a pepper to see if it's spicy. I would say if it makes you like cough when you breathe it in, probably spicy, but all right. So we got our jalapeno ready. I have a Mexican cheese blend ready. I have my Tony's as usual. This is my Cajun spice that I use all the time, and some garlic powder and my measuring spoons. So first, we're gonna start off with 5, well, no, we're gonna do 6, sorry. 6 tablespoons of almond flour. Last time I put coconut flour in it as well. You can do that. I would do 5 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 of coconut flour. And I feel like I've lost count, so I think that's 5, and I think this is 6. Okay, we'll do a little extra. Honestly, this cake is pretty good either way, so you don't need to like, or this muffin, whatever we call it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna, to this, add half a teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna add a dash of garlic powder, just a little bit. I love adding garlic powder to like savory breads. I think it adds a really good flavor. Then a dash of Tony's. Again, you don't have to add these, but I think they add great flavor. Since I added the literally every time I know that it does this to me. You guys watch my videos, I'm sure you've seen me. Every time I use Tony's, I cough or I sneeze. Like, why do I inhale it? Ugh! I know what's gonna happen every freaking time, and every time I do it. Anyway, before I was so rudely interrupted by the Tony's, I was gonna say, if you don't add Tony's to this, then you need to add like a little pinch of salt just to give it some flavor, because salt makes things better. All right, so I've incorporated in the jalapeno, and now I'm gonna put in our egg, 1 egg into the mix, blend it all together. And this is seeming slightly wet, which means I probably didn't do 6 tablespoons. I probably did less because I wasn't paying attention because I was talking to you, but that's okay. I'll add a little bit more. After I add the cheese, I'll check it out because you don't want it to be super wet. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna put the rest of this Mexican blend cheese, which is probably about 1.5 tablespoons of shredded cheese. Your favorite cheese, cheddar jack, whatever you want to put in here. Actually, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna add just a teeny bit of flour. So now you can see it's looking a little thicker, which is what I want. Got it all incorporated, got it all mixed up. All mixed up, I don't know. Okay, sorry, that was my 90s 311 remix. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this mix that I have and throw it into the microwave for 90 seconds or 1 minute and 30 seconds. Same thing, just different way of saying it. So let's put it in and see what happens. So I drive people crazy because I hit the 30-second 3 times instead of doing like 1 minute and 30 seconds, but I don't know why, I just like that. Anyway, all right, well, while you're waiting for that bread to finish, I have a skillet that I'm gonna start on the back end. I put a little bit of butter in there. As you guys saw from my last 90-second video, I made sure that I toast it up a little bit. I think it tastes better when you toast it up. So I went ahead and started a skillet with a little bit of my Kerrygold butter in there. While I do that, I'm gonna pick all this stuff up because as Bobby Flay and Chef Ramsay say, keep your station tidy. So put all this away and then we're gonna cut it up when it comes out. All right, went off. Let's go get it. So it's a little poofier than in the ramekin because it's gonna rise more. Whoo! Look at that! This honestly is probably more like 2 servings, which is delicious. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut her in half. I would probably do this in a ramekin only because you don't really want it this fluffy when you're just gonna eat it like for a sandwich. However, this would be great for like biscuits and gravy. So I'm actually gonna cut it into 4ths and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hot skillet. While that browns up, I'm gonna get some prosciutto to eat with this because yum. There you have it. Beautiful, crisped up cakes. We're gonna try it by itself first. Oh my God, so good. Wow. When you crisp it up, it gives it that nutty flavor from the butter. But then you have this jalapeno was not spicy at all. You have this like cheesy, creamy, soft kind of inside and then crispy on the outside. So pillowy. Honestly, very, very, very biscuit-like. So you should give it a try. With chicken, it'd be so good as a side dish. It's so good. All right, we're gonna try it with some prosciutto because I'm extra. In case you guys don't know, round of applause. This is very, very, very good. I hope you give it a shot at home. Let me know your thoughts. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what your favorite bread is. And did you try this? Because it is super good. Add a little of your favorite veggies. So good. All right. Well, we'll see you guys next time. As always, peace, love, and keto from my family to yours. Bye, guys. I always do my happy dance because it's a happy dance because it's so tasty. All right. And we're out.